Hi, welcome to Zhaoqing Moocci Technology Company Limited. I am Thierry, the director of the factory. Please let me show you around. Founded in 1995, our factory is located in Zhaoqing, Guangdong, with 160 employees and a 27,000 square meters facility equipped with modern workshop and advanced machinery. We specialize in producing Maglev moon, Maglev speakers, Maglev globes, Maglev display stands, and customized Maglev modules. We offer full OEM, ODM, OBM services. We own the brands Moocci and Moocci, and we also manufacture for well-known names such as Haier, Disney, Diemgo. Our products are exported to Europe, the USA, Japan, the Middle East, and other regions. We have 600 machines and 5 full production lines. From incoming materials to final shipment, every step follows strict quality control to ensure a reliable product performance. Our daily production capacity is about 2,000 units, and our annual production capacity is around 500,000 units, and our annual value is about 60 million RMB. We support 24-hour delivery for in-stock items, and urgent orders can be expedited. Customer service responds promptly. Our products carry CE, RoHS, FCC, and 100 invention patents. With a complete QC system, each batch is tested to ensure consistent quality, earning strong recognition from industry buyers. Zhaoqing Moocci Technology Company Limited would like to work with you absolutely. Okay?